While you're paying $50 a month juggling 5 different AI tools, your competition is using just one to do everything 10 times faster. You're not just losing money, you're getting left behind. This is the tool that stops that. It's called Chat LLM by Abacus.AI, and it replaces everything by putting all the top AI models into a single dashboard. You can go from a script, to images, to video, to a fully coded app, all without ever changing tabs. If you want to follow along with what I'm about to build, the link is right at the top of the description. Go to chatllm.abacus.ai and see for yourself. So, this is Chat LLM by Abacus.AI. This is its entire interface. At the top, you'll notice a drop-down arrow right in front of Root LLM. If we click on this, you can see all of the current trending AI tools, which are all available to you here. For example, there's GPT-5 Thinking, Claude Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Grok 4. The best feature of all is that the main model that's trending these days, Nano Banana, is also available here. Beyond that, if you look here, there are many more options. If you click on the More option, you'll find tools for video generation, as well as lip-syncing tools. Additionally, there's text-to-speech and a humanize feature, which you can use if you feel your content sounds robotic, to convert it into humanized writing. Let me show you some more details. If you click on Video Generation, you'll see models like Cdance Pro, Halo 1, Kling, Lumalabs, Runway, VEO 3, and even VEO 2 are available. This means all of the top trending AI video gen tools are available to you right here. And if you go down to text-to-speech, I can show you that the most popular tool for text-to-speech, 11 Labs, is also available here, along with all of its different voices. Furthermore, as I can show you, there is also a lip sync feature. If you need to generate images, the option is right here below. When you click on Image Generation, you'll see that Seedream, GPT Image, the highly trending Nano Banana, Imagen 4, Flux, Midjourney, all of these tools are available here, all in a single place. Ideogram is also included. After that, if you look here, the default tool is this Root LLM. If I give it any prompt and press enter, it will decide for itself which tool can provide the best answer for this specific prompt. As you can see, it automatically selected GPT-5 on its own. It has now provided me with the entire response. Down here, you'll see the option to regenerate using. Here, we can also manually regenerate a response. For example, if we want to change the model, we can do that. And if we want to manually select a model from the start, we can do that as well. For instance, I'll select Gemini 2.5 Pro. I will then paste the same prompt here again and press enter. Now, the response I get will come directly from Gemini 2.5 Pro. So there you have it. It has provided the entire response. Now, I'm going to show you the main feature. I'll go to a new chat. First, from here, I will select DeepAgent, and I will tell it. Now, here I've given it my prompt, and I've turned on DeepAgent. Now, it will do everything on its own. Let's see. I'll show you the result in just a moment. I've entered it. Now, this is our agent, our private agent, that will do everything by itself. Now, it will ask us some cross questions about what kind of video we want. We will provide our answers to it. So, it asked us some questions. I told it the kind of transitions I want, and after that, I told it, yes, I also want a voiceover. I also told it to present the content with proper alignment. Now that I have provided all these answers, I will press enter again. Now DeepAgent will, on its own, I'll show you. With just a single click, it will create the entire video and give it to me. Now it will do some thinking. And boom, our video is ready. Let's check it. I'll open it on the big screen here, and let's start it.
The 5 most expensive cars in 2025. 5. Bugatti Tourbillon, 4.6 million. 1800 horsepower hybrid beast. 4. Koenigsegg CC850, 3.4 million Swedish perfection, only 70 made. 3. McLaren Speedtail, 3 million for 250 mph speed demon. 2. Pininfarina B, 4.8 million electric hypercar with no windshield. 1. Rolls-Royce Droptail, $32 million ultimate luxury. Only 4 exist. Which would you pick?
So, this was our video, created with a single click. Now, if we didn't have Abacus.AI, we would have had to first go to ChatGPT, write the script there, then go to another tool to create the images, then go to yet another tool to create the videos, and then combine them all. Even if we were to do it manually within Abacus, we would first have to select a tool to write the script, then come here to create the images, then here to create the videos, and then combine them. But it's DeepAgent, which in my opinion is an exceptionally brilliant feature of this tool, created everything for us from a single prompt. So, in my view, this is a very good thing. Now, let me have you try one more thing. I simply go and select DeepAgent here, and here I give it a simple command. Now, let's see. I want to create a simple PowerPoint presentation with 6 slides, so I'll just give it a command and press enter. This whole process will be done by the agent itself. I'll show you the final result. And boom! Look here, it has prepared our entire presentation. Let me check that for you as well. So here you can see our entire slide deck. These are the pages it's on, with all the data it has inputted. We can export it as a PDF and properly. So look, here is the full slide deck in front of you. All the data, it has prepared everything in the same way, creating a very good presentation with all the data presented in an excellent manner. So this is a completely automated job. Whatever you need to do, you just provide a 1 or 2 line prompt to this DeepAgent model, turn it on, and it will do all the work for you. So let's just recap the sheer power we've seen here. In just a few minutes, we were able to generate a complete social media video and a data-driven PowerPoint presentation, each from just a single prompt. But it goes so much deeper. For developers, it has a built-in code editor that can find errors, debug, and completely rewrite your code to be more efficient in seconds. And it can even build and deploy a complete, interactive website with its own functioning chatbot, all from one simple instruction. The power of DeepAgent is absolutely incredible. Every single one of these tasks would normally require a different tool and a different subscription. Chat LLM by Abacus.AI does it all in one place for just $10 a month. If you are a creator, a developer, or an entrepreneur, this is the tool that will save you time and money. The link is waiting for you at the very top of the description and in the pinned comment. Click that link. Try out Chat LLM by Abacus.AI for yourself and see what you can build.
Dive into the magical world of coral reefs, home to 25% of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. These living structures are actually colonies of tiny animals called polyps, building the largest living structures on Earth. Some coral reefs are visible from space and have been growing for over